Welcome to the quiz. Guess the animal from the picture. Largest marine mammal. It's whale. Marsupial, eats eucalyptus leaves. Right, it's koala. Bird with colorful tail feathers. Peacock. Large reptile, lives in rivers. Crocodile. Pink bird, stands on one leg. It's flamingo. 8-armed sea creature. Octopus. Known for changing colors. That's right, it's chameleon. Large, semi-aquatic mammal. Hippopotamus. Slow-moving tree dweller. Right, it's sloth. Known for its horn. Rhinoceros. Colorful bird, can mimic speech. It's parrot. Fastest land animal. Cheetah. Lives in packs, ancestor of dogs. Wolf. Similar to a crocodile. Alligator. Primate, native to Madagascar. That's right, it's lemur. Social mammal, lives in burrows. Meerkat. Egg-laying mammal, has a bill. Platypus. Largest bird, can't fly. Right, it's ostrich. Largest primate. Gorilla. Has a hard, protective shell. It's armadillo. Inflates to scare predators. Puffer fish. A type of large lizard. Iguana. Large, shaggy mammal. Bison. Known for its long, spiral tusk. Right, it's narwhal. Carnivorous marsupial. Tasmanian devil. Salamander, known for its regenerative abilities. Axolotl. Forest giraffe. That's right, it's okapi. Nocturnal lemur. Aye. Carnivorous mammal. Fossa. Large, flightless bird with a casque. It's cassowary. Scaly anteater. Pangolin. Known for its distinctive nose. Right, it's saiga antelope. Small marsupial. Quokka. Largest living lizard. It's Komodo dragon. Sea cow, gentle marine mammal. Manatee. Mountain-dwelling big cat. That's right, it's snow leopard. Has a prehensile nose. Tapir. Small fox with large ears. Fennec fox. Flightless bird, native to New Zealand. Right, it's kiwi. Largest rodent in the world. Capybara. Also known as a bearcat. That's right, it's binturong. Large rodent found in Madagascar. Malagasy giant rat. Antelope known for its long neck and ability to stand on hind legs. Gerenuk. Reptile native to New Zealand. Right, it's tuatara. South American canid with a fox-like appearance. Maned wolf. Small wildcat native to Central and South America. It's margay. Asiatic wild dog. That's right, it's dhole. Smallest bear species found in Southeast Asia. Sun bear. Small mammal found in Asia and North America, related to rabbits. Right, it's pika. A nocturnal marsupial native to Australia. Quail. Mammal known for producing a key ingredient in some luxury coffees. Civet. Desert antelope with long twisted horns. Right, it's addax. Also known as tanuki, found in East Asia. Raccoon dog. Wild cat with cloud-like spots on its fur. It's clouded leopard. Wildcat found in South and Southeast Asia, known for catching fish. Fishing cat. Wildcat known for its long tufted ears. Caracal. Small mammal with a reddish-brown fur, native to the Himalayas in southwestern China. Right, it's red panda. Seabird known for its bright blue feet. Blue-footed booby. Large rodent found in Argentina. Patagonian mara. Bird of prey known for eating bones. Right, it's bearded vulture. Large bird of prey found in Central and South America. Harpy eagle. Marsupial adapted to life in trees, found in New Guinea and northeastern Australia. Tree kangaroo. Bird known for its extraordinary ability to mimic sounds. It's lyrebird. Bird with a distinctive odor, found in the Amazon rainforest. Watsine. Fish capable of generating electric shocks. It's electric eel. Large bird of prey known for its long legs and distinctive appearance. Secretary bird. Endangered primate species found in China. Right, it's Yunnan snub-nosed monkey. Nocturnal, flightless parrot. Kakapo. Small primate with large eyes. Tarsier. Small rodent with large ears. That's right, it's long-eared jerboa. Marine mammal. Dugong. Wild goat with twisted horns. Markhor. Large bird of prey native to the Philippines. That's right, it's Philippine eagle. Bird with a distinctive crown of feathers. African hoopoe. Large bird, has a shoe-shaped bill. Shoebill. Nocturnal mammal. Right, it's kinkajou. Small marsupial. That's right, it's numbat. Small mammal native to China. It's Ilipica. Large mustelid found in Central and South America. Tyra. Small mammal found in Madagascar. Right, it's tenrec. Primate with golden orange fur, native to China. It's golden snub-nosed monkey. Dolphin species found in Southeast Asia. Irrawaddy dolphin. Smallest armadillo species, found in Argentina. Pink fairy armadillo. One of the rarest rhino species, found in Indonesia. Right, it's Javan rhino. Critically endangered leopard species. Amur leopard. Small hyena-like mammal, insectivorous. It's aardwolf. Marsupial native to Australia. That's right, it's bandicoot. Mole with a star-shaped nose. Star-nosed mole. Gliding mammal found in Southeast Asia. Right, it's Sunda Kalugo. Egg-laying mammal found in New Guinea. Long-beaked echidna. Wild pig species with distinctive tusks. Right, it's Babirusa. Sea creature that looks like seaweed. Leafy sea dragon. Small wildcat native to South America. It's Oncilla. Deep-sea fish with long, sharp teeth. It's fangtooth. Small rodent with long legs, found in the Gobi Desert. Gobi jerboa. Smallest monkey species? Right, it's pygmy marmoset. Colonial marine cnidarians that look like feathers. Sea pen. Rodent with a long tail, native to the Andes. Long-tailed chinchilla. Small sea snail with a brightly patterned shell. Right, it's flamingo-tongued snail. Antelope species reintroduced to the Arabian Peninsula. Arabian oryx.